The clinical staff and support teams from St. Jude Hospital gathered at the National Skills Development Center on Wednesday to learn crucial skills and knowledge essential for teamwork as they transition to the long-awaited, newly rebuilt St. Jude Hospital building complex. Lewis Management Consultancy Services is facilitating the training sessions. Principal consultant Dr. Tekla Fitz-Lewis stated that the training will help St. Jude employees better understand their roles and improve patient care.
The purpose of that exercise is to assist the participants in understanding the collaboration between the medical staff or the clinical staff and the support teams, because there are times the supporting team do not really understand their roles and responsibilities, and patient care can be impacted if they do not understand the necessity. So today we are understanding how to build an effective team culture, the collaboration between each department. And the program is being facilitated using case studies where they have actual real scenarios that have happened at St. Jude's Hospital. And the purpose or the objective is to find solutions to ensure that the teams collaborate more effectively.
The training also aims to help employees maintain rigorous cleanliness standards in the new facility. Participants shared some lessons they learned from the session.
I found the workshop very highly effective and engaging in spite of everything we've learned. It provided practical insights in new tools and some new equipments going up to the new site and going forward to the new hospital in the upcoming days. I just hope everything works out perfectly. Yeah, and I think the training was a great experience.
It's very informative and very interesting, and I'm glad that I'm here. It's always a refresher, a reminder when you work at a hospital to know the cleaning protocols needed at the facility.
Participants were presented with real-life scenarios during the training.
From these exercises, you understand some of the silos between the departments. The participants themselves identify how they can be a better team player by speaking of real situations that have happened and how using the knowledge that they are acquiring today to solve some of these issues.
The St. Lucia Labour Party administration, led by Philip J. Pierre, disclosed that the St. Jude Hospital reconstruction project is nearing its final phase with the installation of equipment and the training of medical staff to prepare for the move to the upgraded facility. This week marked 16 years since the original hospital building was destroyed by fire on September 9, 2009. Pierre campaigned in the 2021 election cycle on finalizing the completion of the long-overdue rebuilding process that spanned 4 administrations, including his current immediate predecessor, Alan Chasney, who also failed to deliver the hospital. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.